Hello and good morning, all of you. So, today we will start the chapter number 6, that is making presentations interesting. So, in your previous class, you have learned about the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so in presentation software, you can create any presentation, you can add effects, animations. Okay, so I already told you how to create any presentation, what is the use of presentation. So in this chapter you will see how to make the presentation more interesting, how can you make the presentations with different types of functions. So in to make a presentation, you will start with blank presentation always. Okay, so or template or a theme. So what is theme are the set of colors, fonts and special effects that can use for the slides of a presentation. Okay, so these are the themes where you make a presentation. And presentation, when you make, the pages are called the slides. Okay, so slide in a presentation can be as one page, okay, of a magazine or booklet. So that the page is called the slide. In presentation you can add pictures, shapes, smart art, screenshots, sounds, movies. Okay, so all you will learn in this chapter. Okay, here the first topic is given, how to add a slide. Okay, I'll show you in computer how to add a slide. These are the different types of new slides. Okay, how to create any new slide. Then after that, how can you add any design. So everything is given here, how to change the backgrounds of slides. So in the next page it is given smart art graphics. So what is smart art graphics? It is a set of graphics that helps you create different kinds of list, process diagrams, hierarchy. Okay, so in this type of list you can make in the smart art graphics. Okay, these are used to make a list of anything. Okay, so this will, you'll see here now, editing smart art. Okay, all these things you just read it once and I'll show you in the computer now. Then in the next page you can see inserting a screenshot. All of you know how to take a screenshot. So in your mobile you take a screenshot of a picture. Okay, so you know how to take a screenshot. By three fingers you just remove the fingers from top to bottom in the screen. But here, how to take the screenshot in the presentation. So everything is given here, and after that we'll create a photo album. How to create a photo album? That means different photographs will be there and it will create a photo album like this. Okay, you can see. So this is the photo album. Here you can make the album box, put different pictures. We can add audio also here, inserting audio and video files. So let's start.
Okay students, now I will show you how to open the Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on Start, then All Programs, the Microsoft Office, then you can see Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Click on that, then you will get the window of the Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is the Microsoft PowerPoint blank presentation. Okay, so this is written presentation 1. So these are the blank presentation, that means this is called a slide. So here you can see it is written slides. Slides means the pages. So how can you add a new slide? So I'll show you now. This file, go to file, then you can go to new. So after clicking new option, then you can see here blank presentation. So blank presentation means that white page. Okay, so here you can see many themes are there, templates are there, many types of templates are given. Whatever you want you can click here. And now if you want a blank presentation, click on blank presentation and here click create. Then this blank presentation is created. Then other method of creating this blank presentation is what? Creating a new slide is what? Click on home tab. Okay, and then click on new slide. Click on new slide, then you can see here many different types of slides are there. Suppose I click on this type of slide. So now see here, this type of slide is created. Now again, if I want this type of slide, so again this type of slide is created. Okay, now how many numbers of slides are there? 3 numbers of slides are there. So numbers are given in serial wise. Okay, So this is the adding of new slides. Now how to change the background color of the slides. Okay, so suppose I want to change the background color of the first slide, then click on the first slide, then go to design tab, and here in the background group you can see background styles. So click on background style, and here you can see many background style colors. You'll move the mouse pointer, then it is changing. How it is changing, see. Okay, you can click on the color, then it is all the slides are in that color. Suppose you want only one slide to be colored, then click on format background. Okay, now here you can see many colors are there, so you can choose any color from here. Okay, solid color suppose, so click on solid fill, then click on this color option, and suppose select this color orange. Okay, now this slide is colored in orange, and you can color all the slide in orange also. So this is the way of changing the background color of the slide. Now I will show you how to insert a smart art. Okay, so smart art, to insert smart art, you have seen in the book, click on insert tab. In the illustrations group you can see here smart art. Okay, click on smart art, and this dialog box appeared. Choose a smart art graphic. There are many types of graphics are there, many smart art graphics are given. Suppose I choose hierarchy, and in hierarchy many types of hierarchy are given. Suppose click on this first one, then click on OK. Now you can see here these 4 boxes has come, and along with that design tab is also activated now. In design tab many designs are also given. You can change the color also from here. Okay, suppose this color, so the color is changed. Suppose another color is changed like this. Now you can write anything here. Suppose so here it is writing like this. So here in the text you can write, text box you can write the names. Okay, here you can write like this. Suppose you want to add one more box here, one more box after this. So what to do, go to here in create graphic, add shape, click on add shape, then add shape after it, and then it will create one more box after this school. See here, now you can see clearly one more box is created in this after this school box. Understood? So you can do any changes from here. Okay, you can change the color, you can change the shapes, everything. So this is the smart art graphics. Okay, so now click anywhere on the slide, it will go away. Then again if you want to write, then click again, it will come again, the text box will come again. Understood? So this is smart art graphics. Now I will show you how to put the screenshot. Okay, how to insert a screenshot. So screenshot is an image or a picture of the display on your screen. So how to take a screenshot? See, first of all go to insert tab, then you can see in the images group screenshot is given. Click on screenshot. So it is written screen clipping. So screen clipping means you can cut any image. So when you click on screen clipping, it will be minimized, and you can take a screenshot of any thing which is minimized or on the desktop. Okay, click on that. Now see, it is minimized automatically, and now this four-headed this plus sign has came, so I can cut any part of the picture like this. Okay, now it has come here. Now I can put anywhere in my slide. Okay, and do the changes here. Suppose these are many frames are given, different types of frames are there. Okay, so like this. So you can do any designing here. We can do any type of designing. Understood? So in this way we can put the screenshot of our any picture on your desktop or any file. Understood? Okay, now I will show you how to create a photo album. So photo album is to create to display photographs. Okay, in slide by slide. How to create it? To create it, then first go to insert tab. Then you can see here in the images group photo album. Click on photo album, and here you can see new photo album. Click on that new photo album, Now you will get this window here. So here you can see insert picture from file disk. So you click on this file or disk, then you will get the pictures from your computer. So whatever picture you want, click on that. Suppose I want this, press Ctrl button in the keyboard and click on the images you want. So all the images are selected. Now click on insert button. Okay, now see here the preview of all the pictures is come here and the name also come. Jellyfish, koala, desert, penguin, tulips. Okay. Now here you can do up down of the pictures. Move the pictures up and down. Here you can rotate the pictures. Okay. In whatever direction you want, you can rotate the pictures. You can change the colors or brightness here. Now you can change the picture frame also. When I click here picture layout, click on one picture, then click on rectangle, rounded rectangle if you want, click on that. Okay, simple frame, click on that. So whatever you want you can click on that. Okay, now click on create. Now let's see, then the photo album will be created automatically now. Okay, now see it is created. So it is written photo album by whatever name you have. After that you can see in the slides. Okay, here you can see all the albums are created. Whenever click you can click here. Okay, see all the things are created slide by slide. Okay, everything is created now. So if you want to modify or edit your images, then again go on insert tab, click on photo album and click on edit photo album. Then again you can edit your photo album. Okay, here you can see edit photo album written. Okay, so suppose you want to add the caption below all pictures. Caption means the what picture is this, the name of the picture you want. Then click on this caption below all pictures. Then again here click on update. Then the picture will have the name below it. So now here you can see here this desert has come here, desert written here. Then it is jellyfish written here. Okay, because we have click the option give the captions, that's why. So in this way you can create any photo album. Understood? So it is very interesting. And how to play this presentation, click on F5, then it will play the presentation. Okay, it will be in the full screen. Okay, now see it is coming like this, jellyfish, koala, like this, tulips, okay, penguins. And if you want to exit, then click on escape. It is okay. So in this way you can create a photo album. So for this today this much is sufficient I think. So practice everything here and read the chapter carefully. Okay, thank you.